I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly navigate through different dates on your calendar app on your iPhone. So our first step is to open our calendar. Now, typically you will see your calendar look like this. If I tap the 2025 on the top left, that'll be a full year. I can tap on the month, and then I can go in even further and tap on the day. Now, to quickly look through, at the moment, it shows a list where you can see Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Thursday, and all of the events I have in between. Now, to more easily swipe through our different dates, we're going to tap on the three lines up at the very top, and then we're going to select multi-day. Now here you can see a list on the top going side to side of all the different days, and in the middle of the screen you can see Friday and Saturday with events on those particular days. Now this is showing multi-day. If you want to see one day at a time, we'll tap that top middle button again and then click single day. Now it's just showing Friday the 22nd. And if you want to quickly scroll between the days, all you have to do is grab your finger on this little top part here and then slide through, and it'll switch week by week.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.